What's going on, guys? It's Twin Tower Anton here, and today I'm gonna play some Modern Warfare 2, as you can see here in the background. So I will just start this and go into not too that much what I'm doing. I'm gonna go for a free for all on whatever it lands on. This channel I will make some. It will mostly be gaming videos, but occasionally I will just upload some daily life and stuff like that, like vlogs, maybe later on. Give me your suggestions and games you want me to play in the description. I think I have the most Call of Duties you would want me to play. So we landed here on a free-for-all on Scrapyard. It's not the best map, but can't really do anything about that, can I? And Noobtube. So yeah, at least I know I came into the right game. I wanted to get into Modern Warfare 2, and yeah, I know. So yeah, I know some of you actually play Counter. Yeah, yeah. If you have any suggestions or anything like that, as I said, you can just leave them in the comments, and I might be able to answer to all of you. If I like any of your suggestions, I will make sure to answer to you. Yeah. And if you ever want to play with me, you just leave a comment. Yeah, I don't really have many people to play this game with. So yeah, this is live commentary. I will do the stuff like this sometimes. If you really want me to, you can just. If this is what you really want, you can just say so. And I will. I don't know if I said this in this video, but I will upload once or twice every week, which is so bad. And yeah, as I said, it will mostly be Call of Duty videos. Oh Jesus Christ, the hit markers. And the shotguns, of course. This is what I wanted to watch. Jesus Christ. That guy's aim was not the best, right? Jesus Christ, people shooting from all directions. That's okay. And the hit markers. Of course, we're playing Modern Warfare 2. What they're thinking, starting this game. Oh Jesus. Oof. Okay, I'm swapping to the battle. I'm getting way too many hit markers to be able to play. So yeah. And painkiller. Yeah. Of course. That is Modern Warfare 2. Typical Modern Warfare 2. It's painkiller. Jesus fucking Christ. Oh, it's going so fucking bad, guys. As you can see. Oh no. Oh, dude, I'm actually gonna kill myself. No, actually, I can't say it. Or I can shouldn't. Yes. Jesus Christ. I actually only. Ooh, I hit that guy through the wall. Alright. Guess it works like that. Dude. actually getting hit markers with the barrel as well. Dude! Ooh! I'm actually getting so triggered by all these hit markers. I can't actually understand how people still play this game legit. Oh. I usually play on 9. So I ended up at 6-17. Yeah, as I said, this game was not good at all. I will play maybe 1 or 2 more games. We'll see. I think there's 1. So yeah. Today I was away from school. I was staying at home, just doing some homework, and I slept in this morning, so I missed the bus to school. My school is like, I don't know, 1.5 miles away, so I can just walk there or something like that. Tomorrow I have school again, and yeah, this weekend then maybe upload maybe 2-3 videos, depending on how I feel. I'm actually beginning to feel a little bit sick, but if you want me to upload, just say so in the comments. Leave a like on the video if you enjoy. And if you come this far into the video, leave a comment saying, I don't know, free for all quarter. Leave a like and comment that in the video if you come this far into the video. What am I even saying? Leave a comment saying twin or free for all if you have come this far into the video. That's what I was meant to say. So I didn't really want to split, but I guess I have to settle with it, and I can't really do anything about it. It's taken forever to learn. Really. So when I was younger, I used to play on PS3 more than on the computer. But my PS3 doesn't work anymore, so that's unfortunate. But if it did, I actually would play that more. Oh Jesus Christ. I'm actually missing so bad. There we go. So I'm actually tied with... What? Dude. That weapon is way too OP. Like, did you see that? I was so far away from him for a shotgun to reach. Oh my goodness. There we go. And if you guys wanted to know, I don't know why, but I'm 16 years old, and wait. Where's his head? Where was his head? I couldn't see his head. He didn't have one. Okay. I'm gonna die here. Yep. Didn't even see the guy, but I guess that doesn't matter anymore. Dude, that guy with a shotgun is just running around killing everyone. They just sound British or something. You know. Stuff like that. Oh, whoops. Didn't mean to say that. Yes. You. The people in this game are not really much sure. I'm sad if we can say that. Yeah. Maybe in the future, I will, during these commentaries, I will tell stories or something like that. there's not much going on in my life right now, so there's not much to tell. This weekend I might have some stories for you guys. We'll see. I just like throwing those knives across the map. Maybe one day I can hit one. Probably not that. Dude, he's running around with a shotgun just killing everyone. And that guy, I can't really say anything about him. Well, I'm running around with a Barrett, so people could actually say the same thing about me, but I don't know. I don't have much to talk about right now, so that is why I'm not really saying anything at all. I'm just talking about the same thing over and over again. So, tiny bear there. Okay, Jesus. Okay. Dude. Wait, why do I not have a map? What? Dude, I actually hate that guy hard target. Yes. What? No, you have to be kidding me actually. Wait. I can't play. As you can see, I'm not good at all. And the Harrier, of course. This is really fun. And the Harrier took my kill. This is nice. Getting off to a great start. Oh yeah. Very good. Well, who took my kill? Can't even see who took my kill. Okay, I can't get up there. Dude, this is really disappointing, actually. I used to be kind of good at quick scoping and stuff like that. I guess that's nothing for me anymore. Don't get me wrong, I will still try and stuff. But I cannot promise any results to these. As you can see, it's not going very well for me. But yeah, I think I will start ending the video here. If you want me to make videos like this, as I said, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and leave any suggestions in the comments, as I said earlier. I'm really in need of some, because I do not have any ideas actually. And there's the game. Thank you for watching, and